What's up, YouTube? So I have a Nissan Xterra 2002 first generation, and I've looked all over YouTube on how to adjust headlights on it, and I couldn't find anywhere on YouTube or on Google. So I'm gonna make a short video on how to do it. So here's the quick method of doing it. You want to pull up as close as you can to a wall and make sure your car's on a flat surface, and then you're gonna put a tape on the top of each beam you see. This bottom one, that's for lateral adjustment, but correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think the Xterra has a lateral adjustment, only up and down adjustment. Okay, so I already got that set up. Now I'm going to back up the car 25 feet. And that's very important, the 25-foot measurement from the wall. Because right now the headlights look like they're aligned. But once I back up 25 feet, you will see how out of adjustment they are. Alright. Couple more feet. Alright, so that's 25 feet. I'm gonna turn off my car to save gas because, of course, these Xterras are gas guzzlers. So, very important tool. You need an 8mm wrench. All right. And bear with me, guys. This is my first YouTube video, so I'm a DIYer. I've been working on cars for 18 years, but I never made a video of my own. However, I learned all of the things on YouTube. So I figured I would give back to the community. Alright, so here's the headlight. The adjusting screw is going to be this one right here, right in the corner. Okay, so you're gonna turn it clockwise to adjust it up, and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise to adjust the beam down. Alright, so over here, of course, the headlights are really out of adjustment. You want the beam to hit the top of the tape. Alright? The top of the beam needs to be right underneath the top of the tape. Okay, so remember, I'm turning it clockwise. So righty-tighty, because I want the headlight to go down. I mean up, sorry. And don't bother using an adjustable wrench. I tried doing that yesterday. It took forever, and it's a really tight spot. Don't bother trying to find a socket because it will not fit in here. And I don't know why it has a Phillips head, if you can see, but there's no way you can fit a screwdriver, and you can't fit it from this end either. So 8mm wrench. Alright, guys? I know this is taking a while, so you guys can fast forward, but basically, guys, I just wanted to show you this video to show you where the adjustment screw is. Remember, this is the one that adjusts the beam up and down, and I don't think there's one that adjusts it laterally. So And just a tip, guys, if you ever change your headlights, like I changed mine, you see I have one of the lights are a LED one, the other one's halogen. But when I got that LED one, it was pointed way lower than the halogen one. So if you change your bulbs to a different kind, make sure you adjust the beams, because I was about to return it since the visibility with it was actually worse than the halogen one. But that's because I didn't adjust the headlights. So now that they're adjusted, I mean, I actually did this yesterday. They were way worse yesterday, and it was 10 times better. So I'm definitely keeping these LED headlights. I just need to get the other one because I lost the retaining ring, but definitely worth the money. Brand name, I think is Hikari. It was only like 25 bucks for both bulbs. I could leave a link if you guys want. So that headlight driver's side is definitely going up. So I know you don't want to watch me turning a wrench for the next 5-10 minutes. So that's all for today, guys. Leave me any questions or comments. All right, bye.